Hi everyone, welcome to today. We are going to be working on our rolling skills. So we've been working on this throughout the year. It's a very important skill for lots of different activities. It's a lot like underhand throwing, if you remember, but instead of throwing at your hips, when you roll, you get down nice and close to the ground. Remember the criteria for rolling, just getting my ball, is ready phase, so ball in the hand. Make sure we're stepping with that opposite leg so we know which one it is. The ball's in this hand, stepping with the other leg. Okay, I bring my arm back, I'm ready. I step forward with that opposite leg, get down low, and I roll. And I want to follow through, so point to where I'm going to roll. So when I step, if I'm rolling like this, I can go that way. If I step and roll like that, my ball is going to go that way. If I want to try to hit you in the camera, I want to follow through to where I'm going. That's our roll. Hopefully you remember that and you've practiced over the year. We have a pretty fun game for us to play today. What you need is 3 plastic cups, water bottles, either reusable, don't fill them up with water, or 3 bottles or containers from the recycling if you have. We're going to work on our rolling game. So I have 3 spots set up, blue, red, and yellow, and we are going to try to hit each one. So we're going to start about 3 steps away from the blue one. That's the first one. Just make sure you can see me. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. I'm ready. I'm going to have an item on the blue one. Let's start. So I have pins. Like I said, you might not have pins at home. That's okay. If you don't have a ball, just like we've been doing other activities, you can use a sock ball, a paper ball, or anything that kind of rolls. Doesn't have to be perfect. What I want you to think about is how you're doing the motion. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, I got it. Way to go, Mr. K. All right, so level 1. I'm going to move up to level 2. Perfect. Here we go, level 2. All right, level 2. Let's see if I can do level 3. Still always starting in the same spot. Level 3. Oh, hey, I got it. Way to go. So once you're able to get all 3 levels, you're going to start the challenge. And the challenge is you need a timer. So you can use a phone or the clock. And I want you to set the timer for 1 minute. And you're going to see how many points you can get in 1 minute. And the points are as follows. The closest marking is 1 point. The red is 2 points. And the yellow is 3 points. So you roll, run and get your ball, go back, do it again, do it as many times as you can in a minute. So you have to go fast. You have to keep track of your points in your head. Okay? See how many points you can get. That's my challenge. I'll post how many points I get, but I want to see how many you can get. So in your response on Seesaw, please let me know how many points you got in that 1 minute. All right, everyone, have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time. Bye.